Hi guys, Arpitha here. Today I am going to show you how I organize my jewelry in boxes. Wow, this lipstick feels really good. I am all set to go out. Let's wear my favorite neck piece. God, I need to organize all these things. It's high time.
I'm sure you've gone through this phase. It's high time I organize all these things. I have a collection of beautiful 5 to 6 boxes. I'm going to put all these things into those boxes and organize a little bit. I don't throw away those boxes which we get with the sweets and dry fruits and some watches and all. I use them all. Let me show you my boxes and then organize all these stuff. I have this beautiful wooden box with me. This was designed by me, but the carpenter did a bad job. After the disaster, I understood how to explain my design to a carpenter. I'm going to use this to organize all my jewelry. I have lots of beads and junk jewelry. So let me show you this one. It is opening from this side, but it's supposed to be opening that side. Yeah, that's the major disaster. And I have all these hooks here to hang all my jewelry. He kept some hooks here also, but yeah, that's disaster number 2. And then it locks over here, it closes like that, and it has a provision for hanging. I have added all these mirrors and the jute braids to make it a little spicy. Yeah, today I'm going to put all my jewelry into this.
That's only a part of my jewelry. It's time to get to the work.
I've set my jewelry up. It's all in this cupboard. I'm going to show you now. Yes, there you go. That's my jewelry rack for now. All these boxes are set. Let me show you what all I kept inside those. This box is from Egypt, from my last year's visit. In this I kept all my cocktail rings. This one here is a, I think some tiled or hand painted one. Somebody gifted this. Here I kept all my nose pins. I have done this DIY nose pin video. So from that I've made all these things. It's nose pin box. This one is again from Egypt. I keep my small earrings over here. This one is a stone box. More than 20 years old box. So in this I have this mirror hanging thing and all my brooches. You must have seen this in my giveaway video. This box is a wooden hand painted box from Kondapalli. So in this I kept all breakable ones. This one is a shell. This is a DIY. And there are some more DIYs. This one is a generally I keep my favorite ones here so I can pick them easy. This one is again a DIY from fabric pieces. I love this box. I've used it in different ways. For now I am keeping the jewelry. Here you can see all my bangles. There is a section for Kiara's bangles also. And here these are my hoop earrings. I wanted to keep them there. It's easy to pick them and wear. This is a dry fruit box. In this I kept some random jewelry which I rarely wear. These, and there is a clutch with stones. These are all stone rings, finger rings. And I kept some of these things in the cover as I don't wanted them to get black. So this is my dry fruit box. Then I have a watch box here. In this I kept all my small studded earrings which are all gold color and all. I rarely wear these. Now let me show you this box and that box. Let me come that side to show you guys. This one is a free box for my Vogue subscription. I love this box. All my hanging earrings are kept there. All these are my DIY jewelry. I kept some of these also here. My pearl jewelry is here. Okay, to open that I have to move this from here. That's easy to do. I just take it out. Let's open this. There you go. That's how all my jewelry is kept. All these are collection from past 15 to 17 years or more than that. Put this box back. Hey wait, don't click away. Did you like the way I kept my jewelry? Comment below. Did you like the way I have recorded today's video? If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Click on this side to watch more videos and you can click my face for subscribing. I create fashion related videos every Monday and Thursday. Now I have live streams on every Tuesday at 11 am. Activate that bell icon for all the notifications. Until next time, bye.